Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to set charge and limit on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then scroll down to the battery and device care. Now just tap here to the battery section, scroll down and tap on the more battery settings, and here to just set the maximum charge limit to 85%. You should just tap here once on the switcher, and then you should just restart the tablet. I just don't want to do that, but as can you see, that's really simple. You just to set the charge and limit, you just should tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. And then you'll just see the 100% when your battery will charge, but that's don't forget that will be the 85%. That's we'll just use this feature to take care of our battery. So thank you guys for watching. That's it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comments, and to subscribe our channel.